Look at the clock. It's running 24 by 7. This is the same way your career is also running out of the time. 40 years is what you have got. Now think about that 40 years, what you are going to achieve out of this 40 years to make your life one of the best lived life. And if you are missing this, then you are probably missing the strategy to live your career in the most fulfilled way. Now, in order to live the career in a most fulfilled way, you need to take certain steps, and these are the steps you can take. First and foremost, find out your purpose and vision of the career. Now, finding your purpose and vision will require you to look at the long-term horizon. That is, okay, 40 years down the line, what do I want to have or how I want to live my life? That is a question you must ask yourself. Finding your purpose is, what meaning should I give it to my work so that it can be more meaningful for me and the others around me? Second, based on your mission and the vision and your purpose, you have to set the SMART goals. Now, you will not be able to achieve your vision tomorrow or maybe next month, but how can you achieve your vision while the time is running out of your hand? That is the way you need your SMART goals, where you can identify the milestone to reach that vision and identify that milestone. Now back it up with the processes, strategies, your skills, your knowledge, your information that is required to reach that milestone. Once you understand that, you will be slowly and steadily moving towards your vision and the purpose. Number 3, which is building your social currency. Unfortunately, in the digital world, where most of the people consume a lot of information, we are missing out the point of not building our own personal brand. This is the era where it is easier for anyone to pick up their skill, knowledge, experience and actually create the personal brand around their personality. Now, are you doing that or you are not doing that? That is a question that you need to ask yourself. Number 4, which is about creating an influence and power skill. Now, if you want to earn a lot of income, impact and the influence in the market, you need to understand that you can always do that by using the power skill. Now, power skill is just not about your technical or a functional skill or an industry skill. You have to use the power skill which can connect the humans, like emotional intelligence, critical problem solving and understanding the business problem that you are solving in the market. That is where you can make a huge difference. Last but not the least, you have to understand how you can use your influence and make a bigger and a larger impact. For that, you need to reach out to the different people, collaborate with somebody. You need to probably present yourself in the industry forums and also share your knowledge and the thoughts in the social media. Once you do that, you can take your career from just being an average career in the market to one of the most fulfilled and the meaningful career. I hope these tips help you. Please put in the comment below which one are you using and how you can actually change your career trajectory to the next level.